Hi guys, welcome to QUIZTECH. How much you know about the nature? Take this 10 questions quiz to find it out. Ready? Let's go! What is the tallest mountain in the world? Which planet is known as the red planet? What is the largest ocean on Earth? Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? What is the fastest land animal? Which bird is known for its impressive memory? What is the longest river in the world? Which is the largest rainforest in the world? What natural phenomenon is measured by the Richter scale? What is the primary gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.